Hi everyone, welcome to you all for SAP MM training session presented by Ravichandra Koti. In the today's session, we are discussing about the material master, vendor master, purchase info record, RFQ, quota. These are all we call it the master data. Among all, we go for first one, that is material master. So, material master, how to create the material. To create the material, MM01. Okay, here slash n MM01. So if I enter something, we called it as the external number ranges. If I not enter anything, based on the material type, system will generate one number ranges that we called it as the internal number ranges. Okay, let it be. We'll check. Press enter. So I can take basic data, purchasing, accounting, enter, use the plant 1000, enter. So I can take test for test material. Base unit of measure, either kg, each piece, whatever it you want. These are all the base unit of measures are here. Okay, I can take each. Then material group. What kind of material it may be? Whether should be plastic, electronic, steel, pumps, engine, or what? You have to choose respective one. Steel. Old material number, if you are having some material number, take that as a reference. Okay, then press enter. Purchase group. Purchase group means purchase department or name of the person who is involving in the purchasing activity. So I can take tape. Enter. Valuation class. This valuation class is a bridge between MM and FI integration. This material, raw material, having different valuation classes are there. 3000, 1, 2, 3. So I can take 3000. For that instant, so moving average price, always V. Raw material always V. How much? 25. Press enter. Saved. Enter and save it. 1503 is created. So material, so I can take 1503. So material 1503 is created now. Now if you select raw material, press enter. Here these are the views. Whenever if I select PERT, finished product, enter, press enter, automatically sales department comes into picture. For what? Finish and semi-finished product. Okay, well, so this is for what? How to create the material. Suppose here I created one material, but I want to do some changes like a description, then price, purchase group, person name. How to do? For that, T code MM02.
MM02.
Okay, MM02. So go for the MM02 slash n mm02. Enter. See, this is the material. Enter /n mm02. Enter 1503. No, 1503. Then enter
1503.
So please mute yourself. Test material underscore I can take 3001. Just I want to change base unit of measure from each to kg. We can possible to change the base unit of measure if this material is not done any PR and PO. For this material, if the PR is done, not possible to change base unit of measure. Then material group. So I can take some other material group. Cables. Okay. Then enter. Okay. Enter. Then purchase group. I can take the purchase group as 001. Enter. Valuation class I can take as 3001. Then enter, save it. See, 1503 has created. Suppose I want to view the material, whatever I created. So transaction code MM03, display the material. So which one? 01 or 02? 02 only. Whatever changes we made, no, that material will get displayed in the 03. Let me see. /n mm03. Enter. Material 1503. Enter. These are all the views. Yes, enter. For which plant? 1000. Enter. See, we made certain changes that should be displayed here. We can't possible to edit anything here. We can just view. Enter, enter, enter. Yes. So this is MM03. Suppose I want to know what are the changes has to be made. First I create, then I did some changes. What changes? What was the initial data? How come to know? Go for MM04. Display changes. Let me see. /n mm04. Enter. For this material, yes. Just remove the plant, not required. Execute. Click on execute. This one we called it as the input selection screen. Oh, see. This is the material. First, we did MM01 at what time? 17:37:39 seconds. But later we did some changes. At what time? Who was the user? Is the user. Let me check what are changes. Just double click on the MM02. Okay, well, see. These are all the changes has to be made. First, base unit of measure change from each to kg. Purchase group 3002 valuation class 3002 3001. Correct. Then description old and new. So these are all the changes has to be made by using transaction code MM04. Okay, fine. Suppose 1503, this material it is there in the plant 1000. I want to extend the same material with a description, base unit of measure, purchase group, valuation plus everything should be the same to another my plant 1100. That we call it as the extend to next. Extend to next. So how to extend? See, I go for same T code /n mm01, enter. So 1503, you can see it. Copy from, this is the material. Copy from what? Same number 1503, enter, enter, enter. For which plant you want? For which plant you want this material? I want 1100. In which plant this material already exists? Plant 1000. Enter. See, the material already exists and will be extended. Okay, fine. See, valuation class, moving errors, everything should be copied to what? Plant 1100. Enter. Save. Suppose one material is there. I don't want that material because we are having sufficient stock in my production line, or there is no much demand for that material. I want to block that one. I don't want to use currently that material. I don't want to procure that material. For that, transaction code MM06. MM06 /n MM06. Enter. See, this is the material. For which plant? Plant 1000. Press enter. See, are you want to plug this material? Yes, this metal I want to plug from this plant or for this plant. Press enter. Press enter. See, automatically under the plant 1000 for the storage location, valuation type, sales, warehouse, storage type, everything should be blocked for this material. Then you can save. In future, you cannot possible to use this material. Suppose if you want to unplug, same, see, /n MM06, enter, enter, see, just click on here, press enter, that's all. Save it, come back. Okay, so this is about what? Plug for the deletion. Then extend from one plant to other plant. 1000 to 1100. How will do? We just explained it. Suppose I am created around 500 materials under ROH. I want to see the report. I want to see the report. For that, MM60 to find the list of the material. Let me check. MM60. Enter. Just remove this material. You want only from the plant 1000. Just execute. From the plant 1000. Execute. Click on execute here. It'll take some time. Okay, well, see, material, plant, valuation type, description, everything is here. Everything is here. Right now, suppose I don't want this valuation type, this column. What we do? Go for the change layout. Change layout. Here, displayed columns means whatever the columns they are appearing now. Which one you don't want? Valuation type. Select right side. Then save it. Enter. Screen layout. So I can give some name and default. Okay, slash. Enter the name of the layout. Then close. Let me check one more time. Execute. Okay, I think it's not still. Wait. Here, valuation material type, valuation type, right side. Okay, fine. See, if you don't want last change, select layout, last change. Just right click. If you don't want material type, layout, then here material type, send to right side, then click on right. Like this. Okay, well, then I want to find the list of the material based on the material document. So go for the MB51. Let me check. MB51. Enter. See, material, plant, these are things become something. Store location, batch, customer, moment type. If you want only 101 moment type, so go for 101. Means only received, goods received. If you want posting date, choose from date to date. Then you can click on execute. Okay, like this. Under this plant, this vendor, whatever the goods we received, this is the report. Okay, well, so these are all the main basic parameters related to Metal Master. Next, we just go for the customization. Suppose how to create a new industrial sector. There are two methods. One is the example mechanical, chemical, food, etc. How to define? Two methods. One is the path, SPRO, IMG, LG, MM, field selection, define industrial sector, or direct T code OMS3. Let me check. /n OMS3. Enter. Good. Then select any one industry or go for directly new interviews. I just take copiers. So I can take test industry. Test industry 1. Then take T1. Not possible. Field reference mechanical engineer. Okay, well, enter. Already exist. I can take U. Save it. Let me check. /n mm01 enter. Here, see, whatever the industry we are created, that should be comes here. Well, I can take this industry, U only. Then here, raw material is there, finish is there, semi-finish is there. But I don't want raw material, finish, semi-finish. I want grinding material, threading material, or some other material type as per my customized. I can take ZROH I want. How to do? That is how to create the material type. Example, raw material, PERT, HLB, NLOG, UNBW, etc. etc. Two methods. One is the path. That is SPRO, IMG, Logistic General, Material Master, Basic Settings, Material Types, Define attributes of material types. Or direct T code OMS2. OMS2. So go for the OMS2. See /n OMS2. Enter. Go to the position. Choose ROH. Enter. Select ROH. Copy as. I can take here as the ZROH. Customized ROH. Now, in that very important things, whenever you choose ZROH, I don't want all the fields. I want only accounting. I don't want classification. I don't want MRP. I don't want costing. I don't want storage. I don't want forecasting. Okay. Then I don't want quality management. I don't want warehouse. I don't want plant. Okay. Like this. Fine. I want only some basics. Accounting, purchasing, basic data. Well, fine. Enter. Enter. See, 194 entities copied from the ROH. Okay, well, ZROH. Save. Let me check. /n mm01. Enter. I just go for here ZROH. See, customized ROH. Enter. Perfect. See, 1, 2, 3. Only 3 views got displayed because other thing we are unselected. Okay, well, enter. I can just take or else go for directly creating new material. Enter, enter, enter. So 1507 base unit of measure kg. Okay, then fine. Whenever I choose the raw material, valuation class 3000, 1, 2, 3. Well, but I don't want this optional like SRV. Or instead of entering manually SRV, system should take whenever I choose the raw material ZRH, Price control must be V only. Price control must be V only. How to achieve? So for again, see, slash n OMS2, enter. Position ZROH, enter. Double click on this here. Valuation, you should choose moving average price and click on the price control mandatory. Price control mandatory. Save it. Enter. Save. Enter. Let me check. Slash n MM01. Enter. 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 Test 02. KG. Enter. Then we can find here price control now V is a fixed. We can't possible to change anything. So I can take 3000, moving your price 20, then sorry, enter, save. Oh, what is the material number? 1508. But I don't want this series, 15 series. Whenever I choose ZROH, my number ranges should be comes from 2 series or 3 series. How to achieve? For that, go for next thing, that is how to define the number ranges. Use the transaction code MMNR or path. There are two types: internal number range, external number range. So how to define the number ranges? Path, SPRO, IMG, logistic general, material master, basic settings, material types. Define number ranges for each material type. Then go for the groups. Again group, insert, enter the text, choose the number range and save. Let me see. Slash n MMNR, enter. MMNR, enter. Third option, intervals. Okay. Here again, go for the intervals. Come back. Sorry, groups. Again, groups. Insert. Text. I can take TR. From number. From number, I can choose this series and just copy. Then here I can paste. Enter and save it. So groups, insert, intervals. Third option, sorry, intervals. One second. Here MMNR, go for the groups. Again group, insert. So I can take some name TR. From number, I can choose here. Then copy. I can paste here. Enter. The next is very important. Here we are having my material figure ZROH. Function 2. function 2 or F2. See, it will become what? Blue color. Then go for whatever the group I am created just now. What's my group name? TRTR. F5, function 5. See, my metal type is linked to the number range. Save it. Okay. Let me check. /n mm01. Enter. Choose ZROH. Enter. 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 Oh, see, the number ranges should be starting from what? 3 series. So here, number ranges as well as number assignment. How to assign? Place the cursor on the ZROH, F2, then metal group F5. Save it. Okay. So I just enter. So I can take test 03, enter kg, then 0002, valuation class 3025, enter, save it. Like this. Suppose let us take, I'm just creating one more metal. Here metal group is there. So I can take test 03, base rate of measure kg. Instead of metal group, here steel, metal, electronics. I want one test metal group. How to create? For that, transaction code, go for the OMSF path, this one. For OMSF, /n OMSF, enter. Go for new material. I can just take some number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Test material group, enter. Save it. Check /n mm01, enter. Enter, enter, enter. Test 23, enter kg. Metal group I can find here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, enter. Test metal group. Well, next, purchase group is here. Means name of the person or group of the peoples. I want my name here. Or I want some other name, Sangeeta and all. How to create? Go for creation of purchase group. OME4. OME4. /n OME4. Enter. /n OME4. Enter. Purchase group. New entry 111. Then number. It is there already. A12. A22. Enter. Save it. Let me check /n mm01. Enter. 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 So test 33. Base rate of measure kg 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Purchase group. So what I given? A22. Enter. Enter. 3000. Then here 25. Enter. So this is about all this means backend setting.